age with.
岁
Level. HSK1. Use. Introducing people, describing people. Use.
岁
To give a person's age, similar to years old in English. Some details work differently from English. Structure. Subject plus number plus.
岁
I am 20 years old.
我20岁
My son is 1 year old.
我儿子1岁
My mom is 45 this year.
我妈妈今年45岁
Equivalent to is X years old. Notice no verb is needed with.
岁
Do not use.
是
Or a measure word like
个
with.
岁
The word
半
half can be added after.
岁
Structure. Subject plus number plus.
岁
Plus.
半
I am 20 and a half years old.
我20岁半
Examples. He is 3 years old.
他3岁了
How old are you this year?
你今年多大
She is 8 years old this year.
他今年8岁
My daughter is 3 and a half years old.
我女儿3岁半
My younger brother is 2 years old.
我弟弟2岁
How old are you? For kids.
你几岁
I am 20 this year.
我今年20岁
Summary use.
岁
To state a person's age. Structure. Subject plus number plus.
岁
No verb or measure word.
半
Can be added 4 and a half.